How can I rename a network in Windows 8? I recently replaced my home router, and now Windows 8 seems to think that the main Ethernet network is called Network 2, when it used to simply be called Network. There is no network anymore, only Network 2. My question is, how can I rename Network 2 to Network? It's a small annoyance, but annoying nonetheless. I've tried Googling the problem, but the only purported solutions I've found apply to Windows 7, and not Windows 8. The closest thing I can find is the ability to rename the network in Network Connections, but I can only rename the Ethernet name, which doesn't seem to be used anywhere else in Windows, but I can change the subname Network 2. I've also tried searching the registry for Network 2, but there are no instances found. Any ideas?
Okay. I finally just found this related, but slightly different, question and answer, and I was able to solve my problem using the registry keys provided in that answer. Remove a known network from Windows 8. Note, I don't think this question should be closed as a duplicate, because it's a bit different, and the solution is a bit simpler. You don't need to delete your new network, you can simply rename a few values. How to rename Network 2 to Network? Open regedit and browse to each of the following registry keys. Dig through all of the keys, subkeys, and values under each of those keys, and look for any instances of Network and Network 2 in the values. I only found instances under the second and third keys, not the first, but I'm leaving that key in for completeness. Delete any keys, i.e., the whole key folder, that contain values set to Network. These are the registry entries for your old network, which is no longer in use. Find all of the keys that contain values set to Network 2, and rename those values to Network. These are the registry entries for your new network. Reboot your computer. Voila! No more Network 2.
Hit Winky plus or equals, open the run prompt equals, enter secpald.msc. Navigate to Network List Manager Policies. Choose your network name from the right pane. Here you can change the name, if is private or not, the icon of the network and so on. You can also set the defaults. Microsoft should have set these defaults before shipping Windows 8.1.